How to uninstall app updates on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. In Settings, click on Apps and Notifications. Now, click on See All Apps. In here, search for the app you want to uninstall app updates of. After you've selected the app, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, which will show this option. Click on Uninstall Updates, then click on OK. After that, you're good to go. You can do same with other apps as well. Simply click on it, click on three dots at the top right, and then click on Uninstall Updates, and you're good to go. This is how to uninstall app updates on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.